2026 is not just another year on the calendar, it's a pivotal financial turning point. What you strategically implement this year will decisively determine whether you build substantial wealth and lasting impact or merely observe opportunities pass you by. Stay with us until the very end, because the single biggest, most transformative shift of 2026 will be revealed last, and it's a profound insight most people will unfortunately overlook. We are confidently stepping into a dynamic new economic cycle, brimming with strategic possibilities. Interest rates are stabilizing. Artificial intelligence is accelerating at an unprecedented pace, and smart capital is quietly, yet powerfully, repositioning itself across global markets. This isn't a period of chaos. It's an unparalleled landscape of opportunity for those prepared to seize it. History consistently demonstrates that true fortunes are forged in the wake of uncertainty, not in the comfort of absolute clarity. For young professionals, entrepreneurs, and business owners, this moment presents a unique chance to innovate, invest wisely, and strategically position yourselves for exponential growth. Embrace this era with an optimistic and informed perspective. In 2026, artificial intelligence transcends being merely a tool. It has become foundational infrastructure for every successful venture. Businesses that fail to deeply integrate automation and AI-driven efficiencies will struggle to compete, facing inevitable obsolescence. Conversely, individuals who master leveraging AI will dramatically outperform entire teams, creating unprecedented value. This is the year where practical skills and AI proficiency decisively beat outdated credentials, and agile execution consistently outpaces traditional education alone. For your career, this means upskilling in AI applications is non-negotiable. For your business, it means embedding AI into every process, from customer service to product development, to unlock new levels of productivity and innovation. The illusion of paper wealth can be fragile and fleeting in volatile markets. In 2026, astute investors and business owners are strategically rotating capital back into tangible, real assets that generate consistent cash flow and intrinsic value. This includes well-chosen real estate, robust cash flow businesses, and essential infrastructure projects. This isn't about speculative ventures or chasing fleeting hype. It's about building a resilient portfolio grounded in tangible value. Cash flow consistently triumphs in uncertain economic cycles, providing stability and predictable returns. For entrepreneurs, consider acquiring or building businesses with strong asset bases. For professionals, explore fractional ownership or REITs focused on income-generating properties. Your personal brand is no longer just a resume enhancer. It is rapidly becoming your most valuable balance sheet. In 2026, individuals who cultivate authentic influence and trust will consistently outperform corporations that lack genuine connection with their audience. Your unique voice and expertise are powerful economic assets. For young professionals, this means actively building your digital footprint, sharing your insights, and networking strategically. For entrepreneurs and business owners, your personal brand can differentiate your company, attract top talent, and build a loyal customer base far more effectively than traditional marketing alone. Authenticity and consistent value creation are your keys to influence. The gig economy is evolving into the expert economy, where deep specialization commands premium value. Generalists will find it increasingly challenging to compete, while those who master a hyper-niche will become indispensable. This trend is driven by the demand for highly specific solutions that AI can't yet fully replicate. For your career, identify a specific problem you can solve better than anyone else and become the go-to authority in that microsegment. For businesses, focus on serving a precisely defined customer base with tailored products or services. Niche dominance allows for higher margins, stronger brand loyalty, and a clearer competitive advantage. A significant, yet often overlooked, trend for 2026 is the convergence of values and financial returns through sustainable and impact investing. Younger generations, in particular, are demanding that their investments and the businesses they support align with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles. This isn't just altruism, it's smart business. Companies with strong ESG practices often demonstrate better long-term performance and resilience. For investors, consider funds and companies committed to sustainability. For entrepreneurs, integrating ethical practices and social responsibility into your business model can attract a growing segment of conscious consumers and investors, creating both profit and purpose. The biggest, most profound shift of 2026 isn't a single technology or market trend. It's the absolute necessity of a mindset of proactive adaptation. The world is changing at an exponential rate, and those who thrive will be the ones who anticipate, learn, and pivot with agility, rather than reacting to change. This is about continuous learning, strategic foresight, and embracing discomfort as a catalyst for growth. This mindset empowers you to see every challenge as an opportunity, every new technology as a tool, and every market shift as a chance to innovate. It's the underlying force that allows you to leverage AI, invest wisely in real assets, build a powerful personal brand, dominate your niche, and invest with purpose. Without this proactive adaptability, even the best strategies will fall short. The blueprint for unprecedented wealth and impact in 2026 is now clear. This is your moment to move beyond observation and into decisive action. Don't let these transformative opportunities pass you by. Here's what you need to do. Assess your AI readiness. Immediately identify how you can integrate AI into your career or business operations. Start learning, experimenting, and upskilling today. Strategize your investments. Review your portfolio. Are you sufficiently diversified into real assets that generate cash flow? Consult a financial advisor to align your investments with these trends. Cultivate your brand. Begin actively building your personal brand. Share your expertise, connect with your audience, and establish your unique voice in your chosen field. Identify your niche. Pinpoint a specific area where you can become an undeniable expert. Focus your learning and efforts to dominate that segment. Embrace proactive adaptation. Commit to continuous learning and strategic foresight. Make adaptability your core operating principle. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Subscribe to A Wealth Crush. For more strategic insights, hit the notification bell and share this video with someone ready to crush 2026. Let's build wealth and impact together.